Planning a trip and worried your Chase card might get flagged for fraud? If you think travel notifications are a thing of the past, you might be in for a surprise. Today, we're setting up a travel notice with Chase. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. While many banks now use sophisticated fraud detection, informing Chase of your travel plans can still help prevent your card from being declined. Step 1. Find the travel notification section. Log into your Chase online banking or mobile app. Go to your credit card account and look for Travel Notification under Account Management or Profile and Settings. Step 2. Enter your trip details. You'll need your destination countries, travel dates, and possibly your flight information. Submit the notification, and Chase will note it on your account. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set the notification for a slightly wider date range. Add a couple of days before and after your actual trip dates in case your plans change. It's better to have a slightly longer notification period than to have your card declined because you returned home a day later than planned. So, just like that, you can travel with confidence knowing your cards should work when you need them. A simple travel notice goes a long way in preventing vacation payment headaches. Now I'm curious, have you ever had a card declined while traveling because of a fraud alert? What did you do? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.